Guys, so right here we got the Dollar Tree stackable containers. These guys are removable, see that? And it's only $1. Now they raised the price up $1.25, so I bought 4 of them. And we got here is spinach growing there. We got lettuce, more lettuce, and we have scallions. So we do have spring mix type lettuce and the black seeded Simpson lettuce. You can see like this is the spring mix type. So the one thing you have to do when growing in these stackable, water is the main key. Water a lot and harvest. You have to harvest. Now it's really hot and you could see right here my spinach is bolting. Once this is bolting, basically the plant is done. As you guys see all my videos, I have a lot of plants that bolt due to the hot weather. So what I'm gonna do, you guys could either get a pruner or you could pinch them out. Once your plant is bolting, you don't really need it. Spinach you could harvest anyway from 3 inches to 6 inches leaves. It's better harvest them when they're smaller because you get the best flavor and best taste. So the number one thing when these come down, as I said, is watering and harvest. The reason you want to make sure you're harvesting because you want to need the room space. You don't have a lot of space in the area when growing with this. Lettuce leaf you could harvest anyway from 4 inches and up, or anytime you're ready to eat. You could literally pick lettuce anytime you want. And all these plants, if they don't bolt, they regrow. So you cut and regrow. See, I leave these baby ones, they're gonna grow. You cut and regrow. If you don't want to pinch stuff off, you guys could always use your pruner, but they're easy to pinch off, literally. So as you pinch off, you guys could add some organic fertilizer. If you have, you could add some compost, you could add some fresh soil, and definitely watering is you know, some days I water twice, some days I water once. It all depends. So this spinach plant is now bolted, so this one is good. So this one we're gonna produce more. See, beautiful leaves. These are all spring fall plant. They're better growing in spring. These are a little small, I'm gonna leave them to grow. So these lettuce grows the best in spring. So you don't need to cut out your lettuce or pull out your whole lettuce plant if it's not bolted. You could always cut them, and as I said, they regrow. Lettuce needs a lot of water in general, guys, so make sure on a small, so make sure you have enough water. So these stackable containers, saw them, a lot of people using it. Amazon have them for a more expensive price, but they're more sturdy, and you could get more stackable higher tower from the Amazon one too. But the dollar store one is not bad, guys. I'm telling you, for the price, $5, you cannot go wrong with $5 plus tax. Let's say you get 5 of them plus tax, would be like $6 at the dollar store. So that's not bad. So when it comes down to the scallions too, your scallions, once they're 10 inches and up, but these guys, the scallions are now ready yet. I'm gonna leave them for a little bit more. But the lettuce and the spinach, they're getting crowdy in here. You could see like puff up too much, so I don't want that. I rather harvest and get more harvest. So, and peppers coming around. You're growing in a stackable container, guys. It's pretty fun. It looks cool, and it saves space and containers. You don't need a million containers. You just need a couple, and you get a couple nice harvests. So pepper is there. We're gonna give him a handful. He already had a bunch of stuff. Come on, Pep. But he loves it. Hey. Is that yummy, Pep? Is that yummy? Alright, guys, just wanted to show you a quick video. So now I harvest them. Now you see I have a lot of more room. So I'm gonna add some more soil. You see I could add some more soil and water it. That's gonna help it, give it a big boost, and we're gonna be ready for next harvest, hopefully. And you see I got my sunflowers right there. And greenhouse is a hot mess right now. So the greenhouse is coming around, stuff is growing. I do have to water in here. It's getting really hot. All right. If you're new, guys, don't forget to subscribe, 100% free. Got more upcoming videos. Go to your local dollar store and get these stackable container, guys. Thanks for watching.